And it goes a little something like
welcome back to my channel. This is Caribbean. In case you guys are new here, welcome. As you guys can see by the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my Instagram pictures. I really do know how to finesse my photos. I know how to make a photo look good. So I'm going to be spilling my secrets. And I'm going to be exposing all these Instagram girls because I know we all do it. Okay? Here, the new ones that found me here on YouTube. This is my Instagram, okay? I am a perfectionist when it comes to like the photos that I post. Unlike here on YouTube, what you guys are seeing, you guys get more of like a raw side. To me, in order to get a bomb Instagram photo, you guys need to know your angles and your lighting and all that stuff. And a clean back camera, that is the key. So if you guys do want me to show you guys how to work with lighting and how to work with angles and all that stuff to create a photo, give this video a thumbs up. I can do that video as well for you guys. But today I'm just gonna be editing my picture and I'm gonna be showing you guys my little secrets. Okay, these are the photos that I was taking. So let me just go through them and see which ones I like. Don't mind, some photos in here are not cute. See, so I also want you guys to know that it takes a lot of photos to get the one photo. I don't be taking 3 photos and freaking having it. Like, no, I take like 100 for one fucking Instagram picture. Like, what the heck? And now I'm gonna go on my app, Facetune. Better. I like this close-up better. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys now the first process that I do, which is retouch from Facetune. Oh my god, my phone has complete storage, so ignore the notifications. So I go on here and I, of course, just go ahead, smoothen my skin. Okay, you guys, that's the first thing that I do. Oh my god, I'm literally exposing me so hard. Okay, I have like sweat on my upper lip. I was sweating like honey. The freaking sun was so strong. So okay, I'm gonna go ahead and remove that sweat with the healing tool, which I'm also gonna remove this blemish on my nose, and I just go tap it and it's gone. Wait a second. Wait, I have to redo this a little bit. There we go. And now the sweat, when it comes to the healing tool, I just kind of like dab it a little. Now I take the smooth. I already smoothed it a little, and now I just go smooth my face. Nothing too crazy because you don't want to look too smooth out because then you're really giving it away that you're editing. The key is to edit to look like it did not edit, you know? But I mean, everybody knows it's edited because come on. Come on, nobody's this perfect. Kidding. Some people are. Okay. Now, detail. Okay, so I went ahead and I smoothened my skin and I took away this sweat and this blemish on my nose. And now I'm gonna go ahead with details. And I'm just gonna go over my hair. I always do this. Like, I love doing this to my hair. It makes my curls pop. Like, look at the difference. It like makes the curls pop. So I always go ahead and use the detail tool. And now my eyes are not really showing in this photo that much, but I'm gonna take the detail tool and I'm gonna put it on my eyes, and I'm gonna do it a little bit on my lips because my lips are all glossy and I want the gloss to pop more, you know? And it's very little, very subtle. My boyfriend is here judging me, looking at me, smiling. He judging me. Anyways, I'm gonna take the sharpen tool now, and with the sharpen tool, you're gonna sharpen your jewelry to make things pop. You know, you want it to bling bling. You know, you want to bling bling bling. And now guys, this is the trick for a stronger glow. You want to take the whitening tool and you want to go in the areas that are highlighted, and you just want to touch a little white on it to make it look more highlighted. So I'm gonna show you guys where I did it on my face. Oops. Here, you guys see where the blue is? That's where I highlight it. And sometimes I go on my eyes and I make my eyes a little bit white. And now, as you guys can see, I have this really strong glow in my arm. I am gonna give it a stronger glow by just going a little bit white, but I'm gonna fade it a little bit down. You know, there's also the glow tool here on Facetune that I want to show you guys. So you can take the glow. It's a bit too strong. You can always dim it down, you know. But yeah, I feel like I kind of washed myself out a little bit. There we go. Okay, so I pretty much just edited this. I want to show you guys another little trick that you guys can do. If you don't like something in the background, you can take the patch tool. I do have this other app called Metoo, which I use to remove things in the background because I'm such a perfectionist. Like, I need everything to freaking look clean. Here we go. I'm Metoo, and I am going to click editing, and I am gonna use the photo, and I'm gonna show you guys how to erase things in the background. You go to the eraser tool and you select your brush size, and you just literally, as easy as that, erase the part that you don't want anymore. Like that. And sometimes it doesn't come out perfect, so you have to like make sure you're doing it right. I'm gonna try to erase that white sheet of paper against that wall, and I'm gonna see if I can do it, but I don't know because it's in a corner, so that's kind of tricky, but I'm gonna try. Okay, as you guys can see, it's kind of working. Okay, you know what? Okay, it worked. So I erased that sheet of paper on the glass, and the photo, as you guys can tell, looks so much cleaner, so much better. Last app that I'm gonna be using for editing this picture, I usually only go through two apps, Facetune and Lightroom, but I wanted to show you guys how to remove things in the background. So I used Metoo, and that's the app that I use to erase things in the background. But the last app, which is literally my favorite, if I could choose all of those apps, I know which one I would choose. Lightroom. Obsessed with Lightroom. However, I feel like I would definitely choose Facetune because come on, in Lightroom you can't fix stuff. In Facetune, I feel like it would give me more of a peace of mind, you know. But anyways, okay, there we go. And what I usually first do in Lightroom is I click auto, and they will suggest what needs to be fixed on the photo. I usually am not satisfied with what they give me because I am a control freak. I want to do things myself. So I go in here in the settings and I select shadows. Oh, okay. First thing that I did, lighting. I can't even speak. Okay. I go to the highlights section and I just put it the opposite, like negative, because I feel like it makes your glow pop more. And then I take the shadows and I go on the positive because I feel like it brightens up the photo. As you guys can just tell, like it brightens the image. Look, if you put the shadow low, it makes it dark. If you put the shadow up, it like brightens the image. It makes it look so good. If you want the whites to pop out more, you can select the white. I don't really want the white to be too much because I don't want to look washed. And then the black, you know, here it's just like whatever. Contrast, let me see. Yeah, a little contrast looks good. So I'm gonna put a little contrast. Let me put my brightness up. There we go. There we go. I'm looking very glowy, detailed-y, like very, I'm looking juicy. Like I'm literally looking juicy. Okay. Now I go to colors. Since I'm wearing neutrals, there's not many colors I can show you guys that to pop, but I think I'm gonna show you guys an example. If you guys want me to do another video just on Lightroom, then let me know, because I have so much to tell you guys about this app. But when it comes to the colors here, there's not much. Maybe putting the luminance, so however you say it, negative, it makes you look tanner, so I'm gonna do that. And literally look at the before and after. Look at this. Wow, like I just gave myself a whole glow up. Like literally, this is like crazy, the before and after. You freaking welcome. You're welcome, you guys. Everybody's now gonna be having bomb pictures. My secrets are out. Okay, and what I like to do is just crop a little bit, because I like the photo to look proportionate. And that's it. That's my masterpiece. If you guys want to see more editing photos and all that kind of stuff, let me know, because I literally am a professional when it comes to this. I'm not even kidding. Like, I'm not even freaking kidding. And I edit my photos differently depending on the lighting, depending on the color, depending on the type of selfie. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is that I'm filled with knowledge when it comes to editing these pictures. So let me know if you guys want more of these, and I would definitely give you guys more. Okay, you're welcome. So if you guys are gonna use any of my tips that you watched in this video today, please send me the photo, your final result photo. I want to see the before and after. Let me know. Send it to me over on my Instagram, and I will repost some on my story. This was it for this video. Okay, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, a thumbs down if you're a hater, and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more, and see you guys next time. Bye.